10 worst truck engines of all time. Truck engines are the heart of our beloved workhorses, but not all hearts beat strong. Some are time bombs just waiting to explode. Today, we're revealing the top 10 worst truck engines ever made. Legendary failures that'll make you cringe. Number 10, Ford 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. This engine promised innovation and efficiency, but quickly became infamous under the nickname EcoBoost. While its twin-turbo design was technologically advanced, its reliability left much to be desired. One of the most alarming issues was excessive oil consumption, with many owners reporting the engine burned a quart every 3,000 miles, far from acceptable. Turbocharger failures were another common headache, often occurring without warning and leaving drivers stranded in inconvenient situations. In some cases, these engines didn't even reach the 50,000 mile mark before requiring complete replacement, which is shockingly premature for a modern truck engine. For many, the combination of high maintenance costs and frequent issues overshadowed any performance benefits this engine could offer. While Ford's "Built Ford Tough" slogan may resonate with their more dependable models, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost proved to be an unfortunate exception, leaving many owners questioning its toughness and value in the long run. Hey folks, thanks for spending time with us talking about what we love most, classic cars and the engines that drive them. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can let you know every time we publish a new video on one you would love to remember. Number 9, Toyota 3.0-liter V6, the 3VZE. Now this engine was a paradox in the automotive world. Renowned for Toyota's trademark reliability, it also carried significant flaws that frustrated owners. Producing only 150 horsepower, this engine lacked the muscle needed for typical truck tasks, struggling with even modest towing and hauling duties. This left many owners feeling underwhelmed by its presence. One of its most notorious issues was frequent head gasket failures, which became so common that they were practically expected. For those who relied on this engine, these problems meant repeated trips to the mechanic and mounting repair bills. Yet, there was a silver lining. With diligent maintenance and careful use, the 3VZE could deliver exceptional longevity. Some owners reported these engines surpassing 300,000 miles without major failures, a testament to its durability under the right conditions. Ultimately, the 3VZE was a mixed bag. Its reliability was offset by glaring weaknesses, making it a curious blemish in an otherwise strong lineup of Toyota powertrains. Number 8, Dodge 4.7-liter V8. Here was a risky bet for truck owners, often turning into a mechanical nightmare. One of its most notorious flaws was its tendency to drop valve seats, a failure that could lead to catastrophic engine damage without warning. Adding to the frustration, the rocker arms were prone to falling off, making the engine's valve train a frequent trouble spot. The engine also had a serious issue with oil sludge buildup, which developed rapidly if oil changes weren't performed on time. Missing even one oil change could spell disaster, leading to complete engine failure in extreme cases. While some owners managed to squeeze decent lifespans out of these engines through meticulous maintenance, they were the exception rather than the rule. For many, the 4.7-liter V8 was a money pit, with costly repairs and early replacements becoming an all-too-common experience. Ultimately, this engine left a bad taste for those seeking a dependable workhorse, tarnishing Dodge's reputation for reliability. Number 7, Nissan 5.0-liter Cummins V8. This one had high expectations, but ultimately fell short, becoming the source of frustration for many truck owners. Despite the prestige of the Cummins name, the engine suffered from a host of reliability issues, Turbochargers, a critical component of its performance, often failed prematurely, leaving drivers stranded and facing excessive repairs. The DEF system, the diesel exhaust fluid, designed to reduce emissions, proved temperamental, frequently throwing error codes and causing headaches for owners. On top of that, fuel economy was abysmal, making the engine an impractical choice for anyone hoping to save at the pump. Nissan's bold attempt to enter the diesel truck market quickly soured as reliability concerns mounted. Many trucks were bought back by Nissan, a costly and telling sign of the engine's widespread problems. What should have been a groundbreaking partnership with Cummins ended up as a costly experiment that tarnished Nissan's reputation in the competitive truck market. Number 6. Chevrolet GMC 5-cylinder Atlas. The 5-cylinder Atlas inline engine was an unconventional choice that unfortunately missed the mark. Designed to balance power and efficiency, the engine instead became infamous for frequent mechanical issues. Misfires were a constant problem, with many owners reporting rough idle and loss of power. Fuel injector failures were another widespread issue, often resulting in erratic performance and costly repairs. To make matters worse, valve seat wear plagued the engine, sometimes leading to significant internal damage. These persistent problems translated into high maintenance costs and a frustrating owner experience. For many truck buyers, the 5-cylinder Atlas didn't deliver on its promises, leaving them questioning its practicality and reliability. GM eventually retired the engine, quietly acknowledging its shortcomings. While some owners appreciated its unique design and occasional moments of reliability, the engine's legacy is marred by frequent failures and unfulfilled expectations, leaving it as a cautionary tale in GM's otherwise excellent history of truck engines. Number 5. Ram 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. Promising a blend of power and efficiency would lead to unmet expectations. At the core of its troubles, frequent oil cooler failures, which turned engine oil into a milkshake-like mixture that signaled impending disaster. The EGR systems were equally problematic, leaking coolant and causing a host of performance issues. One of the most troubling flaws was the camshaft gear slippage, which threw off engine timing and led to persistent misfires. Main bearing failures added to the woes, often resulting in a catastrophic engine damage that demanded costly repairs or replacements. For many owners, the dream of an eco-friendly and capable diesel engine turned into a nightmare of frequent breakdowns and skyrocketing maintenance expenses. Ram attempted to address the issues with updates and recalls, but the damage to the engine's reputation was already done. The 3.0-liter EcoDiesel serves as a reminder that bold claims must be backed by reliable engineering. Number 4. Chevrolet 5.3-liter V8 with AFM. This Chevy engine was designed to balance power and fuel economy, but it ended up causing more headaches than savings. One of the biggest flaws was excessive oil consumption. Some owners reported needing a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, which is far from acceptable for a modern engine. This excessive use often led to lifter failures, creating ticking noises and eventual engine damage. The AFM system, intended to deactivate cylinders when not needed to save fuel, often malfunctioned and added to the engine's woes. Many owners found it more trouble than it was worth and disabled the system entirely to avoid costly repairs. Although Chevy later addressed some of these issues, the damage to its reputation among truck owners was already done. The 5.3-liter V8 with AFM became a cautionary example of how good intentions can fall short when reliability takes a back seat. It left many loyal customers frustrated and seeking alternatives. Number 3. Ford 6.4-liter Power Stroke Diesel V8. Unfortunately, this was one of Ford's most troublesome engines, earning a reputation for constant issues and high repair costs. One of its major problems was oil dilution, where fuel mixed with engine oil, leading to severe wear and shortened lifespan. Radiator leaks were another common issue, requiring frequent coolant refills and causing overheating. The EGR cooler failures often resulted in coolant mixing with exhaust gases, causing white smoke and potential engine damage. Turbochargers were also prone to failure, leaving drivers without power when they needed it most. With so many problems compounding, the repair bills for this engine were astronomical, making ownership an expensive and frustrating experience. Many owners found themselves frequently visiting mechanics, with breakdowns becoming an all-too-common occurrence. Despite its promising specs, the 6.4-liter Power Stroke's reliability was a major letdown. It left Ford with a tarnished reputation among truck enthusiasts and a customer base that had been burned by what was supposed to be a tough and reliable workhorse. Number 2. Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke Diesel V8. Here we have another one of Ford's most infamous engines, known for its relentless issues and high repair costs. This engine was plagued by head gasket failures that led to catastrophic leaks and engine damage. EGR cooler problems were another major flaw, often causing coolant to mix with exhaust gases, resulting in white smoke and potential engine failure. Injectors also had a troubling tendency to fail, leading to poor performance and costly replacements. These issues were so widespread that a whole industry emerged around bulletproofing the 6.0-liter Power Stroke, involving aftermarket fixes to try and make the engine reliable. Despite these efforts, many owners still found themselves spending more on repairs than the truck's original value. This engine's reputation as a mechanical nightmare continues to echo through the truck community, making it one of the most notorious and dreaded engines in Ford's history. The 6.0-liter Power Stroke is a prime example of how a promising design can turn into a costly misfire. And the number one worst truck engine on this list, the Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8. Finally, earning its place as one of the worst truck engines due to persistent design flaws. Spark plugs were notorious for blowing out, often taking the threads with them and requiring costly repairs. Cam phasers, essentially for timing and smooth operation, frequently failed, causing rough idling and poor performance. Timing chains stretched prematurely, lending to misfires and significant engine damage. Oil sludge buildup was another major issue, causing critical failures if not addressed quickly. These problems combined to create a financial nightmare for truck owners, with repair costs skyrocketing as engines aged. The 5.4-liter Triton V8 became synonymous with frustration and high maintenance expenses, tarnishing Ford's reputation for reliability. Though Ford eventually improved this engine's design in later models, it came too late for those who had already endured the headaches and financial strain. The 5.4-liter Triton V8 remains a cautionary tale of how even the most trusted brands can falter when engineering choices go wrong. In conclusion, if you've dealt with any of these troublesome engines, you know the pain firsthand. And if you haven't, consider yourself lucky. When it comes to choosing your next truck, do your research and avoid these mechanical missteps. Remember, not all that glitters is gold. Sometimes it's just a shiny piece of junk waiting to let you down. Hey, thanks for spending time with us talking about what we love most, classic cars. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can let you know every time we publish a new video on a car you would love to remember. 10 truck engines that are built to last forever. Legends of longevity. 500,000 miles. That's 20 times around the Earth. Most engines would have called it quits long before hitting that milestone, but not these legends. Today, we're counting down the top 10 truck engines that laugh in the face of the junkyard. These mechanical marvels outlast their competition by hundreds of thousands of miles. Buckle up, and get ready to meet the champions of reliability in the truck world. Number 10. Chevrolet 4.3-liter Vortec V6. Introduced in 1985, has been a reliable workhorse for Chevy trucks like the S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon. Known for hitting over 290,000 miles, this engine proves you don't need a V8 for serious durability. Producing 190 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, it offers solid performance for daily driving and light hauling. Derived from Chevy's 350 small block V8, the 4.3-liter V6 shares many components with its larger cousin, simplifying repairs and boosting reliability. Its cast iron block and heads ensure longevity, while its balanced design reduces vibration for smooth operation. In 1996, Chevrolet added sequential fuel injection, improving power and efficiency. This upgrade made it a favorite for work trucks and family haulers alike. Rugged yet straightforward, the Vortec 4.3-liter V6 is a testament to the idea that simplicity and smart engineering can lead to incredible longevity. Hey, thanks for spending time with us talking about what we love most, everything classic cars. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can let you know every time we publish a new video on a car or engine or truck that you would love to remember. Number 9. Toyota 3VZe V6. 3VZe V6 powered pickups and 4Runners between 1988 and 1995, often surpassing 300,000 miles. Known for its versatility, this engine delivered 150 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque, making it suitable for both daily driving and off-road adventures. Its cast iron block ensures durability, while the aluminum heads reduce weight to improve efficiency. The engine uses a timing belt that requires replacement every 60 to 90,000 miles, but with proper maintenance, it keeps running strong. Designed with a conservative factory tuning, the 3VZe wasn't overstressed in normal use, contributing to its longevity. While it may not be as famous as Toyota's legendary 22R engine, it quietly built a reputation for toughness. For drivers who wanted a balance of capability and reliability, the 3VZe was a smart choice. Even today, many enthusiasts praise its ability to withstand harsh conditions while delivering consistent performance. It's a true symbol of Toyota's engineering excellence. Number 8. Ford 300 Inline 6. This, also known as the tractor engine, is legendary for its rugged simplicity and reliability. Powering Ford F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996, it's often found running strong well past 300,000 miles. With 150 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, it was built for low-end grunt, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. This long-stroke engine features a thick cast iron block and 7 main bearings, ensuring incredible durability. The straightforward single camshaft design and low-stress operation reduce the likelihood of mechanical failures, while the engine's robust construction allows for multiple rebuilds. Its versatility extended beyond trucks, as it also powered Ford Econoline vans and industrial equipment. Whether used for towing, farming, or daily driving, the 300 Inline 6 proved that durability and simplicity go hand in hand. Even decades after its production ended, it's still revered by enthusiasts as one of Ford's greatest truck engines ever. Alright, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on any of our 3 weekly videos here for you to enjoy. Now back to the list. Number 7. Nissan VQ40DE V6. This one was introduced in 2005 and powers trucks like the Frontier and Titan, earning a reputation for durability by often exceeding 250,000 miles. Delivering 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, it's a robust and versatile engine for mid-sized and full-sized trucks. Part of Nissan's acclaimed VQ engine family, the 4.0-liter V6 combines compact size with strength. Its aluminum block and heads reduce weight significantly, while the ladder frame block design enhances rigidity for longevity. A timing chain eliminates the need for belt replacements, cutting down on maintenance. The engine's advanced features include continuous variable valve timing on both intake and exhaust cams, optimizing performance and fuel economy. Its microfinished crankshaft and camshaft reduce friction, contributing to its impressive lifespan. Built for both everyday use and rugged conditions, the VQ40DE is a testament to Nissan's engineering. Drivers appreciate its smooth performance, making it one of the most dependable truck engines in its class. Number 6. GMC Duramax 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel. Introduced in 2001, it powers GMC and Chevy heavy-duty trucks with legendary reliability, often reaching 500,000 miles or more. Early models produced 300 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque, while later versions exceeded 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque for serious towing capability. Its design features a cast iron block and aluminum heads, balancing strength and weight. 6 head bolts per cylinder ensure durability under high boost pressures, making it ideal for heavy loads. The Bosch Common Rail fuel injection system enhances efficiency and performance. Despite early issues with injectors, GM resolved these problems, solidifying the Duramax as a workhorse engine for contractors, farmers, and enthusiasts alike. With its ability to handle tough jobs and long distances, the Duramax 6.6-liter has earned its place as one of the best diesel engines in the truck world. Number 5. Toyota 22R Inline 4. The 22R Inline 4 has built Toyota's reputation for durability, powering trucks like the Toyota pickup and early Tacoma models from 1981 to 1995. Known for surpassing 300,000 miles, this 2.4-liter engine churns out 97 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque, making it a reliable companion for work and adventure. Its simplicity is key to its longevity. Featuring a cast iron block and aluminum head, the 22R is built to withstand high-stress applications, yet its conservative tuning prevents unnecessary wear. A timing chain designed to last the engine's lifetime and eliminates the common failure point of a timing belt, as in many engines. While the 22R may not have delivered blistering speed, it excelled in dependability and was known for its bulletproof nature. With proper care, these engines often ran for hundreds of thousands of miles, and many still power trucks across the world today, proving that quality engineering never goes out of style. Number 4. Dodge 5.9-liter V8. The 5.9-liter V8 by Dodge was also known as the Magnum V8, was a workhorse in the Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks from 1994 to 2003, and it has been known to surpass 350,000 miles. Producing 245 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque, it delivered the right balance of power for heavy-duty hauling and towing needs. The engine's design focuses on durability. A deep skirt engine block provides excellent crankshaft support, reducing vibrations and minimizing wear. Oversized bearing surfaces add to its longevity, and the hydraulic roller camshaft reduces friction, extending the engine's service life. The 5.9-liter Magnum V8 was praised for its reliability, with few common issues when properly maintained. It was a favorite among truck enthusiasts and commercial operators who needed a dependable engine that could handle the toughest jobs. Even today, many of these engines continue to power trucks in various industries, demonstrating the timeless engineering behind the Magnum V8. Number 3. Chevrolet Small Block V8. Here is one of the most iconic engines in automotive history. Since its debut in 1954, it has powered everything from sports cars to trucks, with the 5.7-liter and 5.3-liter versions being especially popular in Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickups. Known for hitting 500,000 miles with proper maintenance, this engine is renowned for its durability and performance. With horsepower ranging from 200 to 355 horsepower and 300 to 380 pound-feet of torque, it offers plenty of power for any truck application. The small block's compact design allows for better cooling and reduces thermal stress, which contributes to its impressive lifespan. The small block's pushrod design is often cited as a key factor in its longevity, as it reduces the number of moving parts compared to overhead cam engines. Over decades of production, Chevy has refined the engine's materials and manufacturing processes while maintaining its simplicity and strength. Number 2. Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter Diesel V8. This legend is often called the million-mile engine by enthusiasts, and for good reason. Introduced in 1994, this powerhouse engine powered Ford's F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks through 2007 and is known to hit 500,000 miles with proper care. It generates 275 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque, providing ample power for heavy-duty tasks. Its heavy-duty build features a durable graphite iron block and forged steel connecting rods capable of handling immense torque. The simple direct injection system is more reliable than newer, more complex systems, reducing maintenance needs. Ford's 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel is widely regarded for its longevity and reliability, even in the toughest conditions. Its hydraulic lifters are self-adjusting, which reduces the need for regular maintenance. Many Ford truck owners praise the 7.3-liter for its ability to run for hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues, cementing it as one of the best diesel engines ever made. And at number 1, we have the legendary Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel. Number 1 has earned a legendary status in the truck world, powering Ram 2500 and 3500 models since 2007 and reaching a staggering 520,000 miles with ease. This 6-cylinder inline engine delivers 370 horsepower and an incredible 800 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful and reliable diesel engines in existence. Its cast iron block and head ensure strength and durability, with the engine designed to withstand extreme pressures and temperatures. The gear-driven camshaft eliminates the need for a timing chain or belt, contributing to its longevity. The high-pressure common rail fuel system delivers power efficiently, reducing wear on the engine over time. The 6.7-liter Cummins is known for its simplicity, strength, and ability to handle high torque loads without skipping a beat. It's the engine of choice for anyone who demands power and reliability, and it's become synonymous with the durability that heavy-duty trucks need to go the distance. The key to longevity: So which of these legendary engines would you trust for your next truck? Or maybe you already own one of these beasts. Let us know in the comments and share your tips for keeping your truck running like new. One thing's for sure, these engines have set the bar high for durability, proving that the true champions of the truck world never quit. Don't forget to subscribe to show you love it here as much as we do, providing 3 weekly videos to keep you informed and entertained.